Two titans in the world of life insurance face off: MetLife and John Hancock. Both promise security, but which one truly stands out? On the left, the trusted and established MetLife. And on the right, the innovative powerhouse John Hancock. Let's put aside the slogans and dive into the real differences that matter. Every key category will earn points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which provider takes the win. The verdict might just surprise you. Here's our game plan. We're comparing these two giants across 5 big categories. First up, financial strength, because, well, you need a company that'll actually pay your claim someday. Next, policy flexibility. Then we'll check out their customer service, see where you can actually buy their products, and, oh, how cool their digital and wellness features really are. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, financial strength. Honestly, both MetLife and John Hancock are rock solid here. MetLife first has that A+ rating from AM Best and is backed by the muscle of a Fortune 50 company. Basically, they aren't going anywhere. John Hancock also scores an A+, and on top of that, they're backed by Manulife, which is, get this, one of the world's biggest financial groups. So yeah. When it comes to trust and stability, you can't go wrong either way. Let's call this one a tie. Now, policy flexibility. Let's talk MetLife first. They have your bread and butter options, solid term policies, straightforward whole life. But if you want more creative stuff like variable universal life or extra living benefits, they're kind of safe. Maybe a bit too safe. John Hancock, on the other hand, honestly surprised me here. Tons of options, custom term lengths, unique universal and indexed products, and here's something cool, they even have wellness perks built into the policy. The only downside, some plans are only available in certain states. But overall, John Hancock definitely comes out swinging here, so this round goes to John Hancock. Customer service time. MetLife offers 24/7 phone and online help, plus they have a massive network of agents basically everywhere. Not gonna lie though, some people have had issues with their digital tools feel a little dated. John Hancock, they're known for a personal, agent-first touch, which is nice. But if you're all about lightning-fast claims or want to do everything online, there have been some complaints. Claims can drag. So if you need help at odd hours or want the bigger team, MetLife takes it for customer service. Oh, and here's something cool, not everyone knows this. MetLife used to own the Empire State Building of all things, and John Hancock, they're actually part of Manulife, which is like the 28th largest public company worldwide. Just a little trivia for you, makes you realize how big time these companies really are. Alright, product availability. MetLife is everywhere, all 50 states, plus they're global, so if you move around, you're covered. John Hancock though, mostly US focused, and some products aren't available everywhere or direct to consumer. It's just a little limiting. So if you want easy access no matter where you live, MetLife's the clear winner. Now to digital and wellness features, super important if you like tracking things on your phone. MetLife is fine. They've got a mobile app and decent online tools, but nothing to write home about. No health or wellness rewards. John Hancock, though, is kind of next level with their Vitality program. You literally get rewards like discounts or gift cards for healthy habits. The app is way more engaging and the whole experience just feels fresher. So for tech and wellness fans, John Hancock wins this one hands down. If you look at the chart, you'll see MetLife dominating with its reach and customer network, but John Hancock scores big on flexibility and digital experience. Both totally hold their own with financial strength, but you really start to see the differences in the unique perks. So, if you're someone who wants classic insurance from a massive, reliable brand, MetLife's your go-to. But if you're more into customizable plans and love the idea of getting rewards for your healthy habits, John Hancock is just more exciting. Honestly, it depends what matters most to you. If this helped your decision, don't forget to follow for more deep dives and quick insurance matchups. See you in the next one.